I changed my mind. I changed my mind. Why? Because earlier you can hear a sonar, and I need them to know what they're doing wrong. Yes. So let's go back to this. Concerning trinkets and such, you need the vibration, because everything has a vibration. Yes. I deal with organic. That's not important. What's important? To move through this with metal, you need whatever it's made of, minerals, whatever it's going to be made with, you need it to match vibrationally, right? All metal has a vibration. So I have seen reasons for not using, because the things that would require at a specific speed to not disintegrate, the issue that they're running into is that it would require very heavy materials, right? Like lead and all these other things, if a person were to man it. Yes, if a person were to man it. And that's the issue that they have. Like I said, they're not compatible. They're not compatible. The reason that they're not fucking compatible is because profits. You have to pick one over the other, right? You people want to run around and fucking poison everyone, fuck up your biology, your natural biology, which is naturally compatible with the space that you exist in, and think it's fine, it's fine. That is a drunkard's fucking thought process, isn't it? But anyways, I digress. But yeah, your natural biology is capable of withstanding these things. You need the machine to be a vibrational match as well. And I even brought this up about the fucking Philadelphia experiment. Like, you cannot fucking put a bunch of people on a fucking metal ship and then fucking run a frequency around it that they aren't fucking compatible with and think that there isn't going to be an issue with the fucking matter, with the matter ratios. Yes, like, you can't fucking do that. Like, you are not going to carry them through fucking glass the way that I can be carried through. You know what I'm saying? Like, there are just limitations because of what you people do, what you consume, what your electricity is, what the vibration of the earth is. I mean, Jesus fucking Christ, just turn on a TV or a radio, and what do you have the vibration on? The lowest fucking setting possible. Then, therefore, that reverberates through this fucking glass dome. So you've got fucking negative vibrations, like these very low vibrations, like affecting all of space. Like, do you get what the fuck I'm saying? It's like a world problem. It's a how shit is run from these fuckheads who decide whatever campaigns are going to be the fucking argument of the day, like your fucking alphabet agencies and their bullshit. There is a much bigger picture here, right? And that's why I always say, don't ever fucking do shit if for a fucking nefarious reason. It will bite you in the ass. You will never accomplish what the fuck you want to accomplish if your intent and way of getting it is the wrong way, or it hurts everyone else and you gain. You imbalance the fucking natural law scales, and so natural law will fucking balance them back out, right? So therefore, that cake that you're chasing at the end of all of this, it isn't going to turn out the way that you want it to. It is just like doing some fucking, like, people who get into magic and shit like that, and they think, oh, I'm pissed off at this person, I'm going to do something nasty and da-da-da, and it always comes back to them. It does. Why? Because you cannot skew the scales. You may be able to temporarily skew them just so the natural law can fucking laugh at you later, which is exactly what you are experiencing. What the science community is experiencing, yes. I could go on and on and on about this, right? I could, because I know, right? I show you things in my videos. I do things that is possible for me because I know what the fuck I'm talking about. Yes. And I know what the fuck I'm doing. So, there is my rant, okay? On you people and your shit. And to be honest, you know, I'm a multifaceted woman. I always have multiple purposes. I like things that are like multi-use, right? So when I sat down in my advisor's office, I told him one reason, right? And it was a really good and well-intentioned thing. And then I had to go through the grief of understanding that those people do not want the same things that I want for the world, right? And I think a lot of people get disillusioned that way. Yes. They go into something because they believe that they can help or make a difference, right? And then they find out that that's not really the goal, just like Nikola Tesla. Just like Nikola Tesla. That's not the goal. That's not what they want, right? Now, the other side of what I was doing was to reverse engineer shit. Yeah. So, anywho, yeah. It's a good place to stop this conversation, yes.